If you've ever wondered whether Whoop's $359 a year subscription is actually worth it, or just another overpriced fitness hype, this video is going to save you a lot of money and confusion, because the truth behind Whoop, Athlytic, and Bevel is not what their ads make you believe. Today, we're digging straight into what each of these recovery apps actually delivers. Starting with the big shocker, Whoop charges you a premium price just to show the same HRV and sleep data your Apple Watch already collects. And the only reason you pay so much is because the data is locked behind a mandatory subscription, no subscription, no insights, even though the hardware is already on your wrist. Meanwhile, Athlytic looks like the budget-friendly hero. But a serious flaw ruins the recovery score it's famous for. It pulls HRV from random afternoon stress spikes instead of your nighttime baseline, meaning one tough meeting can tank your recovery for the next day. Bevel tries to position itself as a clean, accurate alternative. And while it does deliver a polished interface with more stable metrics, it's still 67% more expensive than Athlytic for nearly the same core data, raising the question, are you paying for real accuracy or just better design? It gets worse when you compare user experiences. People who wore all three apps on the same night reported 3 totally different recovery scores. And Whoop adds even more inconvenience by forcing you to wear an extra device, plus a $50 battery pack, unless you remove it to charge. Yet the most interesting finding comes from lab testing, where Athlytic combined with Apple Watch's VO2 max landed within the margin of error of a professional testing facility. So the real question becomes, are you paying for science or just branding? Would you ever drop $359 a year for Whoop, or stick with your Apple Watch and a smarter app? Let me know in the comments, and tell me if these ads have been following you around too.